You should open it up.
No, you should open it up.
While I cut it open, you should open.
Why?
Makes
I
sense,
don't like
doesn't it?
talking. How about I cut it open?
Oh, you'll mess it up. This is very strategic. Thanks for joining us here behind American River Ace Hardware to do just a simple version of a porchetta. Was it porchetta?
Porchetta.
Porchetta.
Oh, so you've been saying it wrong.
Everybody says it wrong. Nobody says it right.
Okay.
A porchetta. There's quite a few ways to make a porchetta. You can do a pork tenderloin wrapped in just a pig skin. You can do then tied up and roasted. There's an English porchetta, which has the loin on it. It's got rib meat on it. It's a whole side that rolled up, and they kind of butterfly it open to stuff all the internals in it. Well, they actually use internals, liver and such like that, but primarily like a rosemary or a fennel, garlic. Today we're just gonna be doing the pork belly version, which is just the pork belly seasoned and rolled up and roasted. So today we're gonna be doing the simple porchetta using Meat Church's Holy Voodoo Rub. It's gonna have a good different flavors for this application. This works in just about every application I've tried it for, from brisket, tri-tip, chicken. It's excellent on chicken. So today we'll be doing it on the porchetta. And let's see what happens. So we're gonna pat this guy dry a bit. And this is, as you can see, skin on, which is somewhat important for that crispy skin. So now we're gonna season it. We're gonna kind of get some elevation on it to help get an even spread. Nice even coat. Learned that watching Matt Pittman's videos. Wider shakes. Wider shakes. Sway with it. Dance with the shaker. So we're gonna get a little rub. And at this point is when you can add your garlic, your fennel, rosemary, thyme, whatever you want to add to it. Today we're just gonna be doing just this basic rub. And so now we're gonna roll it. Let's get the twine. Okay, you wanna roll. All right, so now we're gonna wrap it somewhat tight. So now we're gonna do the final application of our rub here. I'm gonna roast it, and start it at 195, go for a couple hours. Then I'll be cranking up to about 325 to help the skin crispen up real well. It'll be, like I said, 195 for a couple hours, when we turn up the temperature to 325. When the internal temperature hits about 145 is when we'll take it out and let it rest for a few minutes before we cut into it. Although it's been a moment for you, it's been about 4 hours for us. And our finished product has now come off our 885. Let's cut this band off here. It's crispy. Again, thank you for joining us here at American River Ace Hardware. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call. Area code 916-988-5188. And you can ask for Danny or talk to any one of us down here, and we'll get you set up the best way we can. Thank you.